the continuation. So this one you see here, L1 of I is multiplied equal to 2. So now in the main program you are just passing an array or list, and you are just going to call this double, right? Double is the function name. You are just going to call this one, parameter is L1. Now this function will be called off, and all the elements in list 1 L1 will be multiplied by 2 over here. So after this function over, every element of list 1 will be multiplied by 2. So this 10 becomes 20, 20 becomes 40. So after doubling, you are going to ask a system to print L1. So all the elements will be doubled over there, and you could see the result. So now here I'm just going back to this program, going to take new file, Control V, press F5. So I'm just going to say this one is doubling, right? Doubling. Okay. Now you see here what is the action. After doubling, these elements are now doubled, right? List elements. So 10 becomes 20, 20 becomes 40. Similarly, all the elements will be now doubled, and this is what the new list it is shown. Okay. And next program in servicing is traverses. See here. So this program you have written. Okay. Next, if you see here, adding all the alternate position of elements, the elements which are in alternate means even positions, right? Okay. So the elements index only we are going to check. If the index I is the index modulus 2 is equal to 0 means that index position of this element is even. So you are going to add up all the elements which are placed in even position. That is what the question. So write a function to add alternate elements, or write a function to add all the even index or even position elements. Both are same. Okay. So now you are going to write a function to add all the even position elements. How you are going to do? Just you are going to say that for I in range, this is the length of array, right? So up to this one, you are just going to check only one condition. If this I index modulus 2 is equal to 0 means even position numbers. Modulus 2 equal to 0 means remainder of this I divided by 2 is 0. Remainder of I divided by 2 is 0. Then you are going to add up all the array items or listed items in this particular variable, that sum. That particular variable name is sum. Okay. So we are going to say in the beginning sum equal to 0, and this is what the condition. Here I have written those things in functions and calling the same thing using this main program. So this is the sum and then main program. I'm just going to copy down. I'm just going to return back the sum. Okay. All the total amount is sum, right? That will be now return back when you are calling this particular sum. Okay. Sum is a function. Here parameter is L1. This, whenever you are calling this function, it will return back the sum. In 11th standard, so many programs you have written with this particular summation, right? So if I index modulus 2 is equal to 0, then you are taking that particular element L1 of I and going to add with this yes, that yes is already 0. So summation of all the listed elements, and then you are going to return back this yes. Okay. So whenever you are calling this function, that particular total S will be written back in ans. Ans is a variable. So after that you are just going to